Hi, I'm Märt Örik, co-founder and CEO of deep tech cleantech startup Gelatex. We are innovating how the nanofibers are made. What is common between burn injury treatment, cell-based meat, and a reduction of animals from pharmaceutical and cosmetic trials? They all utilize the cell culture and tissue engineering. And one of the biggest challenge with that is that there is currently no standardized way how to produce cells and foreign tissues on a large scale. Gelatex is solving that by deploying a novel way how to produce nanofibers on a high scale, which is called halo spinning. Halo spinning allows us to reduce the cost of nanofibers orders of magnitude compared to prior art. It helps to bring nanofibers to the applications where it wasn't possible to use them before because of high price and unscalable production capabilities. We're today working with top biotech companies in the world, including some multi-billion-dollar corporates who are utilizing our nanofibers to be used in their products and processes. We are also one of the leading scaffolding provider for cultured meat companies, working with more than half of the companies in the world. If this looks interesting for you, definitely come and join us on our next investment round.
Märt, Eric, thank you very much for that. I had no idea that nanofibers were the basis of such diverse products like surgical bandages, but also lab-grown meat. That's amazing.
Thanks. Yep. We're trying to disrupt the world by deploying the nanofibers in the world, commoditizing those.
Right. So what's your business model here? Are you trying to make bandages? Are you trying to grow meat? How are you producing a business model around your product?
Sure. So fundamentally, we're a technology company. So we would like to innovate and we want to deploy our materials and production capabilities in our customers' facility. So the main business model is actually licensing, where we give you access to use our machines, so actual machines,
sure,
recipes, access to patents, and then you can produce these materials by yourself for your products, your processes.
Okay, and that makes the most sense for your customers in your market. It's not like you have a factory where you're shipping them out.
So from scalability point of view, it makes sense more to do licensing rather to build a more and more bigger factory.
Okay, because you're interested in being a technology company. You're interested in focusing on this part and letting your partners then build
exactly
on top of that.
Let's say we're not a medical device company, which takes a lot of regulatory expertise to commercialize a product. So, and our partners are really good at it. Yeah. They can do it faster, they can do it more efficiently. Let them do it.
Okay, I really like that you know your speciality and you want to stick to that to do what you do best. So how do you see, is there any way for you to work out the market cap and the market opportunity? There seems to be so many possibilities.
Yeah, I mean, we're ultimately, how we summarize all those, let's say, activities under a single umbrella, this is biotechnology, what we're talking about. And this industry is $85 billion industry within 5 years. Current growth rate is 12% a year. So, I mean, and we have different solutions for different, let's say, market segments within biotechnology sector.
Right, okay. How did you come to this? Is this a partnership, or how did this technology come about?
Yeah, so I personally, my background is in material science. I was working with nanofibers that were produced with different technology, and I immediately saw the potential of those materials and at the same time the challenges in terms of scalability and price. And then I met with my co-founder Marian. Her background is from textile industry as well as she has an MBA. So we got together and then the idea was formed that let's make nanofibers more scalable, let's commercialize those, and here we are.
It seems like a really good opportunity to fundamentally change the way that something very fundamental is made that has so many uses. Where do you see yourself going from here? Are you trying to refine the technology still? Are you looking to different areas? Where do you go?
Yeah, so 2 points here. And the next step for us is to have a certified production facility, small scale, which we can invite our customers over, say, okay, that's how it's done. Let's make 10 times bigger setup at your facilities. But another point is that I strongly believe that history has taught us that every great breakthrough in human technology has emerged from material innovation. Semiconductors were, let's say, research. Now we have computer chips everywhere. First polymers were synthesized. Now we have plastics, polymers everywhere around us. And we believe strongly that the next great breakthrough in human technology will come from biotechnology powered by our nanofibers.
Right, so you can make these nanofibers that have a really diverse range of interest. And what are you making them from? What are the products that are coming from?
So the technology is material agnostic, meaning that we can work with a variety of different polymers. We are heavily focusing on bio-based ingredients, such as plant-based proteins, some, let's say, chitosan, collagen, some biotech materials, as well as synthetic materials derived from bio-based sources. We can work with PLA, we can work with BHP, PCL, PLGA. I don't know if these polymers tell you anything, but we can work with a variety of different materials.
Very interesting. Matt and Eric, thank you very much.
Thank you.